Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our server action series in NextJs 15. In the previous video, we have built the edit product form and handle fetching product data by using by ID. Now it's time for the real magic. In this video, we will connect that form to a server action and handle the actual product update logic, the clean, secure, and server fast way. We will also handle redirect, error handling, and validation. Everything you need to make your update functionality feel pro. So if you are ready to take your NextJS app to the next level, let's dive in. So you will see the list of all the products, and when we click on the title, all the details of related to that ID will be seen here. So this all works has been done in the previous video. If someone has not seen that video, please go through the link in the description to view to see that particular first video part of first video. So let's do implement. Now let's implement the server action update over here. So go to Visual Studio Code. So here, first of all, we need to create an action. So for this, so in this we can duplicate this create product page. Just copy it. I'll paste it again here and rename it to the with the name edit product. So this particular action, server action, will help this product server action help in updating the product detail when we update the product details. Okay. Now go to the page product edit form. So here you can see that we are in the inside the product edit form we have the create product. So we don't want to do create product, we just want to update it. So remove that create product and update with the edit product. Call edit product from the server actions and copy it to here. Paste it here. Replace with the edit product. Okay. Now one more thing you have to do that go back to the server action of edit product. Now in the below you need to also update that add product to the update product, which is coming from the Prisma DB. So here one issue you update product have been key. Now here when we update this when we change the add product to the update product, you will see an error. So let's see what this error is. So here you can see that update product abstract 4 parameters. We are providing only 3: title, price, and description, but they are also required ID, which is the ID of the product. But here we are not able to get the ID. So in the edit product, so what we have to do? So a solution to this is that go to the product ID form, and for this we can create a separate hidden form like input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to ID, and value could be a product.id. Okay, we need to close that and go to the browser. We click on here, and when we press Control U, you see the header. So here you can see the value of the product ID to be exposed in the HTML. So this is not a proper way to do it. So what we have, so in order to solve this particular problem, we need to bind this particular ID with the help of JavaScript bind method. So let's do that. So we don't want this to be added in this because actually we want the ID of a particular product to get added in the update form. Then only that particular product detail will be updated on the basis of that ID. So how we need to do that? So first option will already told you that we provide a hidden field in the form, but it exposed that particular product ID to the HTML. That was not a proper way. So in order to do this, we can so instead of this we can use the JavaScript bind method to pass additional argument. Okay. So in this we can use the bind method to in the edit form. So how we can do that? So I can create a new edit product with ID. So let me create this. So I can create a variable called edit product with ID. Okay, is equal to. So I can write it as edit product dot bind. You can pass it null, and we can pass the product ID to it. Product dot ID. Product dot ID. Okay. Now what we okay, it is assignable to a number. Okay, product ID. Now one more thing. Now you can pass this edit product ID within the update server action. Okay. Once you pass this, so what we have to do, you can go to the update part in the server action. When you enter this, you can update this particular edit product with the name ID, number, comma. Okay. Here you can see that your code has been added properly. The error which you see in below further will be removed, because in this edit product we are already getting that ID number. Okay. Now we already buy this. And one more thing you have to do, that we now get the product ID as a first argument in the edit product. Okay. So for this, we can also pass that ID to the product detail. So let's pass this. We can pass ID to the update product detail. Update product. So now you can successfully try to update that particular product on the basis of the ID. So let's go to the browser. Let visit localhost to here browse -db. Now click on product 1. Okay, now I can update the description. Like for example, I can write updated product, updated description 1, and click on submit. So here you can see that your description has been updated successfully with the help of help of updated server action. So this is how you can update that particular description in this, and this is the real magic what we have to do, how all the things happen when we updated that particular ID. So I think you are also able to get that all the things how the server action could be updated. And there you have it. And you have now seen how to fully update data using server action in NextJs 15. So from permission to database update, all without messy API route. This approach keeps your logic clean, secure, and server first, just the way NextJs intended. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more full stack tutorials just like this. Have any question or want me to cover more use case, drop them in the comment below. I will love to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.